everyone, Jai Hind, my dear students. Once again, I am here, Chandrakant sir, in front of you. I welcome you in biology classes with Chandrakant sir. Student, this is me, and this you can see, this is inside me. Now, with this situation, you have got the idea that which topic I am going to teach you today. Yes, you guessed rightly. I am going to teach you the skeletal system of human being. Clear, my dear student? As you already aware that our topic or the chapter locomotion and movement is going on. So student, in this chapter I have already taught you about the first part of this chapter, that is the muscles. Clear? Different type of muscles, unit of muscle, that is sarcomere, then sliding filament theory. This portion we have already covered. Clear? At the same time, I have already taught you the disorders related to the muscle. Clear, student? Now, I am going to teach you a very important topic from board point of view as well as from competitive point of view. That is the skeletal system of human being. Clear, student? Let me tell you the importance of the skeletal system for first. Clear? After that, I will explain the various part of this skeleton. Clear? So first function of the skeletal system, what is the importance of the skeletal system is that number one, it makes the you can say structural framework. It provides shape to the body of the organism. Clear, student? अगर इसको हमारे बॉडी से निकाल के बाहर कर दो तो you can imagine what happens to the body. Clear? Means I cannot stand straight. Clear? तो structural framework ये हमारा skeletal बनाता है. Clear? Then I am moving from here and there. Clear? All the body parts, they are showing the different types of movement. So all these movements are because of this skeletal system. Clear? Skeletal system along with muscle system or along with the various kinds of muscles. Clear? They help in movement and locomotion. Clear? So this is the second function. उसके बाद you can say these skeletal system provides protection to the various visceral organ or smooth organs. आप देखोगे यहाँ पे जो portion है that protects the urinary bladder. This is the rib cage in front of you. Clear? And this protects what? Our lungs and heart. Lungs remains inside this, heart remains here. So this rib cage, it protects the heart and the lungs. Clear? And various other organs are there. Liver is there, stomach is there. So all the visceral organs or smooth organs, they are well protected by the skeletal system. Clear? And it also provides a place where the muscles they get attached for easy movement and locomotion. Clear, student? उसके अलावा आप देखोगे पूरा स्केलेटल सिस्टम हमारा कैल्शियम एंड फॉस्फेट का बना है, यानी our skeletal system is the storehouse of calcium and phosphate. Clear? One more important function which is very important, and that is the hemopoiesis. Clear? Yes, student. You can say we have some long bones, femur is there, humerus, radius, ulna. The long bones, they have the bone marrow. And the bone marrow of long bones help in formation of what? Blood. That is the hemopoiesis. Clear, student? So ये मैंने आपको अभी function के बारे में बताया. Clear? So now let me introduce the various part of this skeletal system in brief first. Clear? Then I will teach you the content which are given on the board also. Clear, student? So there are a total 300 bones during the embryonic stage, or you can say at the time of birth. In infant, the bones are approx 300 or 306. But with the due course of the development, as the child grows in height, most of the bones they get fused, and ultimately the bone remains to 206. Total bone जो होती है एक adult में, that is the 206. Once again, listen this number. An adult human has 206 bone in his or her body. Clear? And student, I am just going to tell you that the skeletal system contains bones as well as the cartilage also. Clear, student? So now let me tell you the various parts. Clear? I have a skeletal with me here. Clear? So I would like to tell you the entire skeletal system is divided into two. You can say the axial skeletal as well as the appendicular skeletal. Student, listen. Apart from these, you can say these are the limb bones and these are the limb bones. This middle portion which is there in the axis, ये axis आप देख रहे हो ना? This portion makes the axial bone. Clear? ये हमारा axial skeletal बनाता है. Clear? उसके बाद ये इसको आप देखोगे, ये जो हमारे गर्डल से पीछे, ये pectoral girdle you can see, pectoral girdle, and this is the pelvic girdle. Clear? Or limbs, this is the forelimb. Clear? And the two hind limbs are there. I have two hind limbs also. Clear? So girdle and limb bones, clear, they make the appendicular skeletal. Clear? This one is the axial, इनको हटा दो. Clear? Apart from the girdles and limb bones, this part which is there in the axis, it makes the axial skeleton. Clear, student? Now axial skeleton, it is further divided into various parts. Clear? The total number of axial bone is 80. Listen, I have a model with me also, student, you can see. Clear? So this portion, this is the axial skeleton. Clear? And this is the part of appendicular bone. This limb bone. Clear? This pectoral girdle, these two pectoral girdles I will teach you in detail, and pelvic girdle. Clear? And hind limbs, ये हमारा appendicular skeletal का part होता है. Clear? Okay. Now what are the various parts of the axial skeleton? Skull is there, student, आप देख सकते हो skull. I will teach you in detail the various part. Skull आप देखोगे. Then vertebral column is there. This is the vertebral column. आप देख सकते हो 26 vertebra are there. Clear? उसके बाद ribs. Clear? Ribs, you can see the ribs. ये आप rib दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. You can easily see the ribs. Clear? And here you can see one bone is there, a single bone, that is the sternum triangular. Clear? एक triangular आप conical bone देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, that is the sternum. ये sternum है. Clear, student? तो these bones are the part of what? These are the part of axial skeleton. Clear? कितने bones होती हैं vertebral column में, कितने skull में होती हैं, I will teach you. Clear? Separately. Clear, student? So by now you have got the idea about the axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Clear? So let me discuss each and every part one by one. Clear? So stay with me, student. Let me remove this skeleton. Yes, student. Now let me explain the entire skeletal system in detail. Clear? So as I have told you that the skeletal system consists of 206 bones, and all the 206 bones are categorized. They are divided into two main parts. Skeleton, axial skeletal, 80 bones. Clear? And second one is the appendicular skeleton. Clear? हमारे शरीर में टोटल 206 बोन होती है, और ये सारी बोन को दो मेन पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है. That is the axial skeleton and second one is the appendicular. Clear? So out of the 206 bone, appendicular bone, they consist of, you can say, 126. They consist of 126 bones, and this axial skeleton consists of 80 bones. Clear? So you have got the idea about the total number of skeletal bone and appendicular bone. This is important from competition point of view. you should remember the number. Clear? Now student, let me explain the various sub parts of the axial skeleton. Clear? The axial skeleton is divided into skull, vertebral column, ribs and sternum. Clear? Out of this 80 bones, skull constitutes 29 bones, vertebral column has 26 bones, ribs 24 in number, and there is a single sternum. यहाँ पे एक single sternum होता है, that is you can say through which the rib remains attached. Clear student? Okay. Now let me tell you about the skull. Clear? Student, I have a skull with me. You can see. Yes, skull. So skull, it is further divided. You can see here it is further divided into cranium. Clear? ये पूरा skull है, आप देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट, सब है ना. एंड अब देख लो पूरा अच्छे से चारों तरफ से. You can see. So this skull is divided into cranium, ear ossicle, facial and hyoid bone. Clear? So let me tell you about the cranium first. ये पूरा portion student आप देख सकते हो, this is the cranium. Clear? This portion is the cranium, and this cranium consists of 8 bones. Which are the 8 bones? I have one more model of skeleton. Clear? This is the skull. आप देख सकते हो ये पूरा skull का part होता है. Clear? So this portion, ये ऊपर वाला portion, this is the cranium. Clear student? Cranium में हमारा brain protected रहता है. And cranium has 8 bones. How many bones? 8 bones. Clear? Let me tell you the names of 8 bones. Clear? आप देख सकते हो इधर इस तरह से छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में है स्टूडेंट. यहाँ पे partition है. Clear? So total 8 bones are there. Clear? Or in which here the brain is well protected in this gap. Clear? Because brain is very soft part, so it need a well protection. So cranium protects the brain very nicely. Clear? It's a hard covering. Cranium is a bony box like structure and made up of 8 bones. Which 8 bones? I am telling you. Clear? Occipital 1, temporal 2 in number, parietal, this is 2 in number, sphenoid bone 1 in number, ethmoid 1 in number, and frontal 1 in number. अब student, how will you remember the name of all these bones? तो I am just telling you a very easy trick. Clear? आप कभी भी आप कोई इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क करते हो, बैंक से अकाउंट वगैरह जब क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करते हो या कुछ भी बैंक में अकाउंट बनाते हो तो एक OTP आता है आपके पास. क्लियर? एंड OTP इज वेरी सेफ, है ना. तो OTP यानी OTPSEF, OTP सेफ होता है ना. OTP सेफ. तो याद रखिएगा दिस रूल. OTP, O for occipital, T for temporal, P for parietal, S for sphenoid, E for ethmoid, and F for frontal. Yes, happy student. Now it will be easy to remember all these things. Clear? So in this way I have completed the cranium. Clear? So you got the idea. Out of 29, 8 cranial bones are there. Cranium has 8 bones. Clear? Now ear ossicle student. Ear bones. Ear bone. There are 3 ear bones here and 3 here, and collectively they are called as ear ossicles. Clear? And these are named as incus, malleus, stapes. Incus, malleus, stapes, all these 3 makes ear ossicles. तो 3 इधर हो गई, 3 इधर, टोटल 6 हो गई. 6 बोन्स आर देयर. और स्टैपिंग स्टूडेंट याद रखिएगा, स्मॉलेस्ट बोन इन आवर बॉडी. Incus, malleus, stapes, all these 3 constitute ear ossicles. अब इन तीनों में से जो सबसे छोटी होगी stapes, ये हमारे बॉडी की सबसे छोटी बोन है. This is the smallest bone present in our body. Clear student? Now facial bone. What are the facial bone? ये सामने की जो बोन होती है स्टूडेंट, all these bones they are the facial. ये सामने की जो बोन है, all these are the facial bone. Clear? यहाँ पे जो है these are the facial bone. Clear? और मैं छोटे वाले मॉडल में भी दिखाता हूँ आपको. Let me show in this small model also. ये all these bones they are the facial bone. ये देखो ये mandible है. This is the mandible. Clear student? यहाँ पे mandible है. फिर other bones are there. I am just going to tell you the name of all the bones, all the facial bone. कितने? 14 facial bones are there. Clear? And one thing you have to remember, this is the only bone, this mandible is the only bone which is movable. पूरे skull में केवल एक यही bone होती है जो move करती है. Clear student? So you have to remember. Clear? I have the bigger one also. You can see. Side से देखो ये है ना? This is the mandible and it is the only movable bone in the skull. Other bones they remain fixed, they remain attached. Suture होते हैं. अभी joint पढ़ोगे ना तो sutures होते हैं, यानी बहुत tightly ये attach होते हैं. Their articulation is very tight. Clear? So I am dealing which one? Facial bone. तो facial में one I have told you that is the mandible. Clear? This is the only movable bone. Other bones I am telling you, it's written on the board also. You can see. So all the names I have written: maxilla 2, palatine 2, nasal 2, zygomatic 2, conky 2, lacrimal 2. Lacrimal यहाँ होती है इस जगह पे जहाँ पे हमारे lacrimal gland है स्टूडेंट. So there are 2 lacrimal, single mandible and single vomer. Clear? Mandible is 1, vomer is 1. So these are the names of what? All the facial bones. अब how will you remember this? आप इसको कैसे याद करोगे? Here तो I have given you the trick. OTP से. अब यहाँ कैसे आप बताओगे? How will you remember all these names? So here is another trick. Clear student? I am just telling you. Clear? How will you remember? You remember. You have heard the name MP, member of parliament. Clear? अब देखो MP ने clear ज्यादा कोला मंगाया, ज्यादा कोला मंगाया और पी के वोमिट कर दिया. वोमिट. क्लियर? तो इट्स अ इजी ट्रिक फॉर यू. एमपी ने ज्यादा कोला मंगाया और वोमिट कर दिया, पी के वोमिट कर दिया. क्लियर? इस सेंटेंस को याद रखिएगा. एमपी ने ज्यादा कोला मंगाया और पी के वोमिट कर दिया. क्लियर? सो एम फॉर मैक्सिला, P for palatine, N for nasal and Z for इस ज्यादा में से Z ले लो. Z for zygomatic, ZY. Clear? These two words you take zygomatic. Clear? उसके बाद conky, कोला, कोला में से conky CO ले लो. Clear? और मंगाया. Clear? उसके बाद मंगाया MA ले लो, है ना, और वोमिट कर दिया. WO, वोमर. So it is easy for you now to remember all the names. Clear student? So this is about the facial bones. Number I have written: maxilla 2, palatine 2, nasal 2, zygomatic 2, conky 2, lacrimal 2, mandible 1 and vomer 1. So I have taught you about cranium, ear ossicle, then facial. Now hyoid. There is a single hyoid bone. वो यहाँ पे होती है student. U-shaped. There is a U-shaped single hyoid bone. Clear? आप देख सकते हो. Clear? इस तरह से एक hyoid bone लगी रहती है, U-shaped. Clear? So this is about what? This is about the skull. Clear? आप count कर लो number. You can tally it. You can calculate it. Out of 29, 8 cranium, 6 ear ossicle 14. Clear? उसके बाद फिर यू कैन से फेशियल 14, क्लियर, उसके बाद यू कैन से हायोइड. सो टोटल 29, 14, 14, 18, 28, 18, 28 and one is the hyoid. Clear? तो 29 हो गया. Okay, now let us discuss about the vertebral column. Clear student? Vertebral column is very important. Clear? Vertebral column is very important. ये रीढ़ की हड्डी पूरे बॉडी का, आप देखते हो पूरे बॉडी का वेट ये संभाल के रखती है. Clear? So many bones remain attached to the vertebral column. Clear student? It is very important. And this vertebral column is made up of 26 bones. Initially it contained 33 bones. Clear? Later on 4 bones. Clear? I have written the name here. Sacral 4 bone होती है, बाद में fuse करके एक हो जाती है. Clear? Now let me tell the various parts of the vertebral column. सबसे पहले तो you should know the first vertebra. First vertebra is known as the atlas. What is the name of the first vertebra? Atlas. Atlas. You have to remember. This is the first vertebra and second one is the axis. ये दो आप याद रखिए competition point of view से. These two names are important. Clear student? So atlas is the first vertebrae and axis is the second one. Clear? आप देखोगे here is the, you can say skull में नीचे आप देखोगे here condyles are there. There are 2 condyles, one here, one here. Clear student? One here and one here. The atlas gets attached to this skull. Clear? Through the condyles. उसमें जो लगे रहते हैं, hooks लगे रहते हैं, उसकी help से they remain attached to the skull. Because there are 2 condyles, that is why our skull is known as the dicondylic skull. It's written in the NCERT. Clear student? It's written in NCERT, clearly written in NCERT. The human skull is dicondyle. Clear? Dicondylic in nature. Clear? So atlas का head यहाँ पे अंदर fit रहता है, articulate करता है ताकि move करे, ये गर्दन को घुमाने में भी help करता है. Clear student? So atlas, the first vertebrae is the atlas which remains attached to the skull. Clear? So this is about the atlas, the first vertebrae. Clear student? यानी अब आप देख सकते हो, you can easily see I have this model. अब देखो curvature, you can see curvature is very important. Clear? We have to maintain the curvature. If the curvature is wrong, clear? अनियमित दिनचर्या से, गलत तरीके से सोने उठने बैठने से ये चेंज हो जाता है. That is why the people feel problem. Clear? And this is very important. Clear? Each vertebrae has a small hole in the center through which the spinal cord runs. Clear? पूरे vertebrae में देखोगे 26 vertebrae होते हैं, उन सब में सेंटर में होल होता है जिसके थ्रू हमारा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड रन करता है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? एंड द वर्टिब्री दे रिमेन अटैच्ड, वन वर्टिब्री रिमेन अटैच्ड टू द अनदर थ्रू द कार्टिलेज, और कार्टिलेज फ्लेक्सिबल होता है. क्लियर? हम झुकते हैं, क्लियर, ऐसे मुड़ते हैं, तो दिस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? कार्टिलेज. दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द कार्टिलेज. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो vertebral column provide a well protection to the spinal cord. एक तो ये फंक्शन हो गया. दूसरा फंक्शन द रिब, ये दिस इज द डॉर्सल साइड, दिस वन इज द डॉर्सल साइड एंड दिस इज द वेंट्रल साइड. क्लियर? दिस वन इज द वेंट्रल साइड. So the ribs they attach to the sternum on ventral side and they attach to the vertebral column towards the dorsal side. So it provides the articulation surface for the ribs to attach. Clear? This is very important. Clear student? And various muscles they also remain attached. Clear? Now let me tell you the names of the various vertebrae. Clear? So the vertebral column 26 bones are there, है ना? Cervical, there are 7 cervical, गर्दन में यहाँ पे आप देखोगे 7 cervical bones are there. Clear? Easily you can see ये 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, these first 7 are the cervical. Then हमारे thorax के पीछे जहाँ से ribs attach होती हैं, clear? तो ये thoracic bone हो गया student. Thoracic bone, how many thoracic bones are there? 12 ribs हैं, तो 12 हमारे thoracic bones हो गए. clear? So 7 cervical, clear? 12 thoracic. Lumbar region में 5 are there, 5 are in the lumbar region, तो वो lumbar bone होगी. Then 1 sacral, clear? And 1 coccygeal. So total number comes to how many? 26. Clear student? So 26 bones are there in vertebral column. Clear? So now come to the ribs. It's very important. Clear? Student, we are dealing which one? We are dealing the axial skeleton. Clear? We are dealing axial skeleton. मैं आपको रिमाइंडर दे दूं. So there are, you can say, how many ribs are there? 12 pairs. 12 pairs of ribs are there. Clear? You can see the 12 pairs of ribs. Clear? Ribs, sternum and this vertebral column together they make the rib cage. अब एक rib cage बना रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हो. इसके अंदर हमारे lungs रहते हैं और हमारा heart इसके अंदर रहता है. It's a airtight chamber. It provides a airtight chamber. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, यहाँ पे क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? हमारा जो पार्टीशन होता है यहाँ पे डायफ्राम. क्लियर? डायफ्राम यहाँ से अटैच रहता है. तो डायफ्राम, स्टर्नम, रिब्स एंड दिस वर्टिब्रल कॉलम, इट मेक्स व्हाट? अ एयर टाइट चैम्बर कॉल्ड एज द रिब केज, इन विच आवर लंग्स, क्लियर, एंड हार्ट, द बोथ आर वेल प्रोटेक्टेड. क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ribs. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ribs are 12 pair और 24. क्लियर? एंड they are divided as, अब देखो ये फर्स्ट 7 आप देख सकते हो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these 7 they are called as the true ribs. Clear? These 7 are called as the true ribs. Why they are called as true ribs? Because at one side they are attached to the sternum and on the other side, dorsal side, they remains to the vertebral column. Clear student? So that is why these are the true ribs. Clear? That is why these are the true ribs. Now see the condition of 8th, 9th and 10th ribs. Clear? 8th, 9th and 10th. 10th, 9th and 8th. They remains attached to the vertebral column dorsally. Clear? But ventral side में they are not attached to the sternum directly. ये बहुत important है. Clear? So 8th, 9th and 10th ribs, they are attached dorsally with the vertebral column but ventrally to the 7th ribs. Clear? और 7th rib जाके sternum से जुड़ी रहती है. Clear? So these are called as false rib और इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं vertebrochondral ribs. Clear student? बहुत important है vertebrochondral ribs. Clear? vertebrochondral कौन कौन सी है? 8, 9 और 10th. Clear? These are the vertebrochondral ribs और false rib. अब बारी आती है किसकी? 11th and 12th. So 11th and 12th आप देख सकते हो here. They remains attached to the, clear? They remain attached to the dorsal. Dorsally they are attached to the vertebral column, but here they are incomplete. वो half रहती हैं. So they are called as what? Floating ribs. They are called as what? Floating ribs. Clear student? So number आपने देख लिया. Cervical 7, thoracic 12. Clear? ये these are what? These are the parts of vertebral column. उसके बाद ribs में आपने देख लिया student. Ribs में आपने क्या देखा? 1 to 7 they are true ribs. 1 to 7 they are true ribs. 8, 9, 10 they are the false rib. Clear? 11th and 12th they are called as the floating ribs. Clear student? This is about what? This is about the ribs. Clear? Rib मैंने आपको बता दिया. Ribs, sternum, नीचे diaphragm and dorsally vertebral column makes the rib cage, which is a airtight chamber in which the visceral organs like lungs and heart they are well protected. Clear student? अब बारी आती है किसकी स्टूडेंट? रिब्स के बाद sternum, which I have already taught you. There is a single sternum. आप नुकीले देख सकते हो, धारदार चाकू की तरह के स्ट्रक्चर है. That is the sternum. Clear? So ribs, they remain attached to the sternum. Clear? So in this way I have explained you about what? I have explained you about axial skeleton. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैं बताऊं, इसकी साइज कितनी होती है? 31 mm. The size is 31 mm. Clear? पूछता नहीं है, but you should know. The size is 31 mm. किसकी साइज? Sternum की साइज. Clear student? So this is all about the axial skeleton. If you will count, clear? If you will count, the total number comes to 80. Total number comes to 80. Clear? Okay. Now come to the appendicular. Come to the appendicular skeleton. Clear student? Appendicular skeleton, it is divided into two parts. Girdle bones as well as the limb bones. Clear? Girdle bones and limb bones. Clear? How many? Two types, girdle bones and limb bones are there. So 6 girdle bones are there, and these are divided into pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. And limb bones are 120. 120 लिम्ब बोन्स होती हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो girdles, they are divided into pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. क्लियर? अब pectoral girdle देखो, scapula and clavicle. Let me show you. Here is the pectoral girdle. This one is the scapula. ये पीछे देख रहे हो, ये scapula है, and here is the collarbone. क्लैविकल, ये ब्यूटी बोन भी कहलाती है स्टूडेंट. दिस इज द ब्यूटी बोन, यहाँ पे जो कंधे पे होती है, कॉलर बोन और ब्यूटी बोन. क्लियर? एंड दिस वन इज द स्कैपुला. नाउ सी, यहाँ पे आप देखो ना, एक उभार निकला हुआ है इस तरह से. हम पीछे से हाथ करते हैं तो यहाँ पे एक हड्डी निकली नजर आती है. क्लियर? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्रोमियन. एक्रोमियन, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्रोमियन. क्लियर? इस तरह से जो स्कैपुला होता है, आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे इस तरह से एक्रोमियन निकला है. दिस इज द acromion. Clear? So one scapula here, one scapula this side. Clear? दो हो गए. And one collarbone here, one collarbone here. So total there are 4 bones are there in the pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle में 4 bone हो गई. Clear? तो scapula and clavicle. Clavicle also known as the beauty bone or the collarbone. Now पेल्विक गर्डल की बात आती है. पेल्विक गर्डल आप देखो यहाँ पे, तो ये कॉक्सल बोन कहलाती है. एक कॉक्सल बोन यहाँ पे है, ये पूरा एक बोन हो गई, एक कॉक्सल बोन हो गई, ठीक, और एक ये हो गई, 2 हो गई. बट एक्चुअली में ये 3 बोन के फ्यूज होने से होती है. क्लियर है ना स्टूडेंट? इलियम, इस्चियम और प्यूबिस. इलियम, इस्चियम एंड प्यूबिस. इलियम, इस्चियम एंड pubis. These 3 bones fuse together